In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Chat active. Staying active on Google Chat ensures that you're always accessible to your colleagues, friends, or clients for communication, making it an essential tool for seamless interaction. Let's explore some simple steps to maintain your active status and manage your availability effectively. First things first, open up your Google browser and navigate to the suite of Google applications, most likely visible in the top right corner as a grid or a series of dots. This is your gateway to accessing all Google's services, including your Google Chat. With just a click, you'll reveal the list of applications. This is a handy feature that allows you to quickly switch between Google services without having to open a new tab for each one. Once you see the list of apps, find and select Google Chat. This should bring you directly to the Google Chat homepage. Being on this page ensures that you are prepared to engage in any necessary conversations, making it a convenient hub for all your instant messaging needs within Google's ecosystem. Now that you're on Google Chat, ensuring your status is set correctly is crucial. You'll want to locate your status settings, which usually appear as your profile picture or a status icon at the top of the page. Click on it and make sure your status is set to active or automatic. These options signal to others that you are available and ready to engage in conversations, perfect for maintaining an open line of communication. If you find yourself in need of a little quiet time, it's useful to understand the different status settings available. Setting your status to away indicates that you are not immediately available to respond. This helps manage expectations and is an excellent way to ensure people aren't left waiting for a quick reply when you might be busy. For those moments when you need an uninterrupted focus, consider using the Do Not Disturb mode. This mutes incoming notifications for a set period, allowing you to concentrate on your tasks without any distractions. Remember, this is not a permanent status, so your notifications will return after the designated period ends, allowing you to catch up on any missed messages. Lastly, Google Chat offers a flexible option for adding a custom status. Suppose you're out for lunch, in a meeting, or otherwise occupied. In that case, you can set a personalized status message to inform others of your current availability with a little more detail. It's a useful touch to ensure clarity in communication at all times. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your presence on Google Chat, ensuring that your status aligns with your availability and communication needs. With these skills in hand, you can stay connected and responsive, making your experience on Google Chat both productive and enjoyable.